Ah!
God.
Hold on, hold on. There we go. How's that?
That's perfect.
Now let's go spy on the children. See what nonsense they're getting on
Should have brought my phone.
Wanna go around this way?
Why are you laughing at me? Watch behind you.
Hey boys! Oh my god! Wait, don't walk, don't walk!
Wait, man, don't walk.
I want to do a perfect snow angel. You gotta take a picture. Oh, it must be hard as a rock. So his shoes are all untied.
Joey, no! Joey, don't push him. He can impale his belly. No.
Impale his belly?
Yeah.
Oh my god! Joseph! That was messed up, man.
My leg! Oh,
I took care of him, man. Climb a little bit. Climb it. Come on. On your wrist, on your wrist. What?
I tackled you in the snow.
Okay, but I don't want to know about it when it comes. What the hell? You didn't even do it.
Whoa, just slide.
That was cool.
Come here. Oh my god.
All right, it's going.
It's going?
Yep.
Aim it up.
Is it aiming at you?
No, it's not. It's not aiming at him. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that was fresh, man.
Try. Ready?
Go. Oh, that was awesome. All right, come on. Let's tackle mommy. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, Peter, get on the ground. Hey, you're releasing the beast. You know that, right? You're gonna release. Oh, I saw that was nuts. Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's on.
Hey, Joe! Hey, Joe! Look at me!
He's not gonna look at you.
I'm serious. Ah!
Oh, be careful, the curb. And thing.
Don't talk to me like that!
Oh, hell no, you didn't just throw that on me.
What I mean? No, I didn't! Throw it at me! Oh! Oh, you want to hear it?
Watch your cars. What?
Dude, you want?
Yeah, it's gotta keep packing it in. Come on. Oh shoot, that was awesome. Oh, my kidney. You missed. I guess I throw punches. Oh. How you doing? This hill's so oh, if that would have hit me, I would have suplexed you. Oh. Oh.
Crazy.
beautiful.
You gotta keep moving forward.
I'm trying.
We'll eat Matthew if anything. What? Oh, hey. I didn't know you were so close. How you doing?
I'm nice and juicy like Dad.
Yeah, ask David to eat both of us, I think.
Okay. I can't do it.
Let's zip you up just a little bit more, please.
The skinnies will live.
The skinnies would live. There you go. Cover your neck. I know it's annoying.
Except for the lotto, the pizza, and the bank.
Yeah, so we gotta go. Pizza out of this garbage.
I saw him picking McDonald's bags out of that garbage.
He ate a full blown pizza.
He was full on eating.
A what?
He ate a full blown pizza out that garbage.
Look at that mountain of snow right there, guys.
I gotta jump into that, guys.
Just be careful.
Go. Look out for cars. Oh no. Oh God, Jesus, thank God.
Don't joke.
Oh, look, Matt's wrist. Oh no.
Can we go bananas tomorrow?
Maybe.
So you can slide down here like the side of the hill thing?
Perhaps.
Guys.
Oh! Oh! It's like compacted ice. Ah, don't hurt your father. What the hell? I've been good to you. Eat two protein. Eat two protein.
Yay! That was fun. Tackling Dad. And well, you could say that was fun.
Everybody get up and move. Coming down the road.
That was really fun. That was a freaking good experience. Matt, get it.
Oh, you don't even know how awkward this is. It's.
Yay!
Man, I have all this abuse on tape.
I love you. The best. We're going here? They're going over there.
Where are they going? Oh, we're going that way.
They're kind of doing their job.
They don't even give a shit.
Yeah, they're like, shut up.
Come this way, guys.
Children.
Oh, nice, Joe.
I remember doing this in the sand with some.
Yeah. Look at this boulder. Oh. Oh, I got that on tape. That's right there. That was on tape, buddy. Ooh. No. Oh, Joey, why you gotta do it in the head?
Joey, not in the face, I said.
That's it.
Those things hurt. You quit it. All of you
Wait.
down.
Wait.
Stop your boots. Stop your boots before you quit.
Ow!
Oh, shoot. Head over the hill. Get this Lanks. Matthew, get up there. Get his back. Help your brother. Oh, you left your man. There you go. Get him. Pull him. Joey, behind you on your 6. Engage. Engage. Oh, God. Again. Oh. All right. I got some work to do. Revive him. Give him Medikit.
Slap it help.
Yeah.
Look how deep it is.
I know, man. All right, guys. This is the end. Now we got to just make it up this wall.
Oh God, I can do it.
I got my crampons on. It should be good. Mommy, start your ascent. Oh.
Oh my God. Joseph, Michael. Careful, there might be rocks.
There are rocks. Oh, Joe, you're La Faccia.
Yeah! Let's go!
Look like you're climbing in like an alpine video. This is great video. Make it, yeah, struggle.
Ah! Old Spice. There's a giant hole right here. Dad. Look, my celebratory pose.
Alright.
Boom! Boom! We're not standing on rock, we're standing on snow.
Oh God, here comes the tractors. Everybody get off.
Sleigh bell spring. What do they have on there? Hood. Oh, that's cool.
I saw that earlier before it started snowing. It's like a frost guard. I eat Chinea. She's a thief.
Dad, imagine a person that is 10 feet tall.
Wow,
That'd be insane.
that would be insane.
Imagine it was like this every day. And then during storms like this, we'll be done for. What is it? What is this? What? That's awesome. What is it? It's a pie. Don't touch my pie.
A little tired? Oh my God, he's down. All right, we lost one. That's one less to feed.
Down.
Woo!
Go.
Go ahead. Now I gotta put the bags down. Oh, I hit the branch. It would have hit Joey's head. Oh. Don't ruin the bushes. No, don't do that.
Oh my God.
No. Oh, oh.
See, I'm tripping. Oh, stumbling.
Oh.
No coat on.
I'm sure he does.
Hey, be careful. He has the drink.
Oh. Oh, right. Then right here, I was like I was wheezing. I was like, man, I already got energy. I need my pump. He was like, hello. Hello. I was like, you need a pump. You got energy. I was like, no.
Stomp your feet out.
Then I passed out. Look at that. Look.
Oh my goodness. Let's see it. Whoa. Look at the back of it.
The back has nothing on it. That's weird because I've been falling on my back. Oh no, this is the inside. This is the inside. Me too.
¿Qué pasa, buen día?
Huh?
¿Qué pasa, buen día?
¿Qué pasa, buen día? What does that mean?
Have a good day.
Really bad. She's like,
No habla español.
she said, do you know what the 55800 is? I was like, yes. Just go straight down, and then like you'll see one driveway, and then you keep on going, and you'll see another one, and you take a right there and walk through the path, and you'll be at 5800. Just see it. It's a big
Boom.
55800 sign.
You saved her. Be careful. Ten cuidado.
Do you know what 5800 is?
Yeah. 5800.
You, mister. Take off your coat.
I did it. I still did it. Even
Can I help you? Take off your coat. Before you walk in. You guys are covered.
Look at that, my leather gloves, perfect shape. Look, my hands aren't even cold.